Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we will be sampling the chocolate Kvass. I bottled it about a week ago. Yesterday I took it and put it in the freezer for an hour, then put it in the fridge overnight. So today we're going to test it and see how it's come out, see how it's aged so far. Assuming I can get the bottle open. There we go. Hopefully you heard that. Pretty good pressure. Pour it in our glass and see how well it pours. Fizzy, but not much of a head. Actually, no head on it at all. That's interesting. Put the lid back on. Definitely plenty of carbonation now. Smells real good. The chocolate aroma is very, very in your face. Smells good. Smells almost like a 70 or 80% dark chocolate candy bar, or maybe even cooking chocolate. So, heavenly. So let's most definitely a sour. You can definitely, it's definitely got that sour beer taste. A little bit of the stout or non-sour, kind of a stouty barley wheat taste at the back end of it. Yeah, this would have been better if I wouldn't have went with tried to go for a stout. If I would have went for maybe say a lighter ale or pale ale or something like that, I think it would have turned out better. It's still good. Like I said, there's no head on it. It tastes like a sour. But the chocolate comes through. You get very little of the actual chocolate taste in it. So next time I think what I'll do is I'll probably go for like a blonde or something, type lighter beer instead of trying to go with a heavy stout. This was a good experiment, so I won't be doing it. I won't be doing this again, just simply because I think the Kvass, the bread type beer, is better for something lighter, not as stouty, I guess, lack of a better term. So until next time, enjoy, better brewing, love, peace.